Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a hydrating and moisturizing serum using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then click on the Serum Gel-like Water-Based field, and then click Create. Firstly, I'm going to go in and select some actives, and I'm going to pick the hyaluronic acid powder, as this is great for hydration. And I'm also going to select some vitamin B3 because this is good for transepidermal water loss. Next is my added extras, and I'm going to go and select some witch hazel extract. This is great for toning and purifying the skin. Next is my humectant, and I'm going to select glycerin. For my gum, I'm going to go with the Solar Gum Tara. Next is my lipids, and I'm going to select the tamarind oil. This is very nourishing and repairing to the skin, so this is going to be great in our serum. For my essential oil, I'm going to go with something nice and fruity, so I'm going to pick grapefruit. For my antioxidant, I'm going to select the tocopherols mixed. And lastly is my preservative, and I'm going to select the GeoGuard ECT. And then click on Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method. Now let's get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a hydrating and moisturizing serum using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own serums. Happy formulating!